Section 4.3 RA3. What is the least squares regression line model between x and y for data set A? So let's go ahead and open this up in StatCrunch. Okay, so remember here that if we want to, we can label our columns. So this is going to be data set AX, data set AY, BX, BY, CX, and CY. And it's asking us to find the least squares regression model for data set A. So we're going to go ahead, and what we're going to do in order to find the least squares regression is we're going to go ahead and go to Stat and then select Regression, and then go ahead and select Simple Linear. And then we're going to make sure that the X variable says A, dataset AX, and the Y variable is dataset YX, and then we're going to go ahead and select Compute. So now if we take a look at the data here, we can see the values for our table. We have y equals 4.215941 plus 1.29911721x. Okay, where this represents the slope, 1.299, and 4.215941 represents the y-intercept. So we'll come back to that data. So it says, what is the least squares regression line model between x and y for data set A, rounding to 4 decimal places, and choose the correct answer below. So here, recall that the form of the regression line, the least squares line, is y is equal to b1x plus b subscript 0, where b subscript 1 represents the slope, b subscript 0 is the y-intercept. So from the data set, and let me go ahead and copy that here. So here is our data set. Okay, so we pulled this information from here. We know that B1 represents 1.2991721, and B subscript 0 is 4.215941, and then we need to round it to 4 decimal places. So we have y, which is equal to 1.2992x plus 4.2159.